Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, today I will do a presentation about my portfolio from 7th grade and 9th grade from 2021 until 2024. But before we go to the portfolio, for you guys who don't know who I am, my name is Mas Guntur Budi Pratama, and I was born in Purwakarta on 31 July 2008. And this year, my age is 16 in July. And then I am a student of IDN boarding school in 9A class, and I already learned many things in IDN. The latest is about Android, and then about Figma, about robotic IoT, and others. And then you can contact me on this number and email and others. And then I have three main skills, that is website development, WordPress, Elementor, and Blockstem. The second is Android. I using Codular, Kotlin language, VBinding, Firebase API, and Activity. And for the IoT Robotic, I can do some microbit projects, ESP32, Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, and Nomokit. Nomokit is my teacher's application that developed 1 or 2 years ago, and then KBIDE from Maker Asia from Thailand. And this is my CV. These CVs include my main information about my profile, education, my skills that in the previous slide, and my experience about IDN teaching, robotic competition in Semarang, and then Endurace, and contact like the previous slide, it is telephone, address, and email. Okay, what's inside this portfolio? This portfolio is include all my projects, from game projects, web, IoT, multimedia, Android, English, Dinia, and the last is achievement and experience. The first is game project. Catching Fruit is the first project that I created in IDN. So the concept very simple. You just take the apple and avoid the enemy, that's basketball. When you catch the apple, you get 1 point. But if you catch the basketball, you get your point is -1. Yeah, that's a very simple game and concept. The next is Block Breaker. If you know Atari Breakout, it's the same game of Atari Breakout, is the simpler version. Yeah, there is a brick, a pedal, ball, and the ground. So the game is simple to you just bounce the ball to the brick, and then the brick will be disappear. And then if you want to win, you must to hit all the brick, and then the game winning condition will appear. The next is Pac-Man. Yeah, who don't know Pac-Man in here? It's a very legendary game. So I made these two in scratch. There is the ghost and the player. If you see, the player is this, the yellow one, and then the ghost, it's on here, not appear the ghost, but there is the ghost. And then I make this using scratch too. And yeah, it's a Pac-Man usual game. You must eat this green point and add your life in this pink point for stand out from the enemy. The next is Crossing Road. This different platform from the scratch is using Buildbox. Buildbox is the 3D game engine like Unity, but it's like the simple version of Unity and Unreal Engine 5. And this I make Crossing Road. The task is very simple. You must go from here until here and then jump over the cube. But the more level higher, there's some challenge. You must like jump over the hacksaw or the bomb and others. And then this is the most difficult game I ever made, because the mechanics is very hard to make. And then there is mechanic that very hard is making the hit collision mechanic. The next is switching ball. This is the simple ball and the simpler game than crossing road. It's only you must like click your mobile phone or your emulator on a build box to follow the line and then avoid the bomb and then collect the coin. And just like that the game. The next is website. The first website is my school website. This school actually never exists, but I made this school. The name is Galaxy School. I just made this school for this project. The theme is astronomical and IT school. Yeah. But if you search in Google Maps or others, there is no Galaxy Schools. I just take this name from Google. And then I built this website using WordPress, of course. But sadly, the website is not active again because my first website is already not active too. The second is Mosque website. If this, this is my mosque website, Masjid Al Inayah. This is the mosque near my house, and then I get the photos and the documentary is from the DKM, from the Ustad and RT. And then same I make this website using WordPress, and but same like the Galaxy Schools, the website is died because the hosting is not continue again. And then I make this using template name is SKT Mosque template. The next is personal website or portfolio website. If this website still active until now because I still use this website to upload my project. If you scan this barcode, you will directly to my personal website. In here I upload all my project from the 7th grade until 9th grade. And I make this website still using WordPress but different template. I use Blockstream and Elementor. Okay, so the IoT project. This is my one of favorite lessons in IT. The first is robot land follower. I make this using microbit. If you don't know microbit, it's a tiny computer that is processor, speaker, and RAM. Yeah, that's why microbit is used tiny computer. And then robot line follower. If you see the video demo, I already try the robot. It's work, but not fast as you see in the competition because the extension is tiny. The tiny bit is not for competition. It's only for the demo. The next is disaster alarm. This is the first project I use sensor and actuator. What the sensor? The sensor is water sensor, flying fish, the MQ4, and the actuator is servo I use for make this project. And then this project can detect floods and earthquakes, and I use the earthquake sensor. And this very first project I touch sensors and others. And if you see the cabling, the extension, it's used iOrbit from the Yahoo. Next, vending machine. And it's a very fun project because I made this with my friends, that Abil, Bintang, Habibi Fatan, and others, and me. And then but I say the exciting, but it's hard too because we must make this all. That's using infraboard, and then we're gonna cut it manually. And this project is shown in the IBM Fast. So still you use microbit for the basic, and then we use servo, we use LDR sensors and others, and then how we put the food to the slide to this component, and that's a very complicated parts. The next is smart home. This first project is semester 2. I use Walkway and then different teachers too. So why we use Walkway? Because Arduino IDE it's more complicated than the microbit, and then my teachers do not use that because it's cannot simulation, and then in that moment our device is limited, so we use the walkway simulation, and it's the language is same like Arduino IDE. In the simulation, we use three devices, ESP32, lamp and servo as the represent of open and closed door or windows. Next is greenhouse. For greenhouse, actually we don't make the stuff, but we only make the tutorial using ThinkSpeak, and then using ThinkSpeak, and we make the dashboard as at the tutorial that our teachers give. Next to my multimedia project. First, food poster, and the theme is salad. Yeah, actually, this food poster is for me. It's very hard because my design get more than one revision, maybe 3 or 4. The first is the background, and then the content, and then the font, and it's get revision from my teacher. But when I see again the design, it's very good for me because it's the first time I'm using Figma for like designing or prototyping, and this is the first time. The next is UI design. Nah, my theme is about car rental. The name is Rentalin Aja. It's UI design that I made using Figma too, and then the theme is already I get share the theme, so I made about rental and cars. Usually, but in the first I made this UI design is about banking app, not about rental app. The next Instagram post I made about drawing pen or pen tablet. If you know, if you designer, you must know this. There is many brand like XP Pen, Wacom, Huion. That's the brand of this drawing pen, and this I made using Figma too. All these design project, posters and UI, UX is I use Figma full. And then this I already upload to my Instagram too. And then if you want to see, just scan the barcode in here. Next is photo manipulation. This is the one of most hard project that I do in design because the step is very complicated. We must deselect this part that I want to make in glow, and then we must make the background is dark, and then we must add like glow effect, and then we must add shadow and others. But the result is very good. And using Photopea. Usually we using Photoshop, but the alternative we using Photopea. The next is about motion graphic. This is the theme is Kurban. I make it in HitFilm. If you don't know HitFilm, it's like software editing from FX Home. It's like Adobe Premiere Pro, but it's more simple than Adobe. And then I made this not one people, but team with my team that's Habibi, Abdul, and me. And then in this project, I get tasked to add this all illustration to the project. The next is Android project. First, video kajian. Actually, it's not an application, but it's a feature from one application named BitTaqwa. And this is the one of the feature, video kajian. We can watch the video from the app using extension or dependencies in the Android Studio, named it YouTube Player. In here, the video is from the Sunnah Ustad, from Ustad Badrus Salam, Khalid Basalama, Syafiq Riza Basalama, and others. If you want to see the video, you can download the BitTaqwa app in the Play Store. The next is Jadwal Sholat. This is the feature 2 of the Pitaqwa. This is the real-time. This is real-time data using API by myquran.com. This is not hard, but it's make dizzy my head because the API is always error, and then the HTTP request is always rejected by the Android Studio. But my teacher can fix it, and the project is done. So if you see, this is there is the date, the region, and then the time from subuh until isya. The next, kalkulator zakat. And this is the feature 2. This is a very simple feature. You just add curfew and then the I forget the name. Edit text, currency edit text, and then this is automatically you can count your zakat. But there is the nisab too. It is using gold nisab, 85 gram. And then if you not complete the nisab, this will appear toast or toast certification. Why it's called toast? Because it's like a toaster. If you add the bread, and then the bread will appear from bottom to up, and the text is nisab Anda belum mencukupi in here. The next is geometric calculator. It's not built using Android Studio, but it's built using Podular. If you don't know Podular, Podular is an apps builder that's based on website. So it's so simple and so powerful, if I say. But there is the more powerful application builder on website. It's talkable. It's more complex but more flexible too. And then I made this about the calculator. You can count the area and the perimeter of the building. You just add the number to the area, and then the calculator will calculate it automatically. The next is name card. This is the first project I made name card. Yeah, the project is only UI. There is no function or others. But in here we learn how to add the card here, how to resize the image, and then this a very basic application that we learn in the 9th grade. The next is English project. This is my short movie when I 7th grade. The title is The Impact of Vanity. I made this with my friend, with Fatan, with Danis, Fikar, and Rafa, and me. And so, like me as a young developer wanna go to the up level, but Danis as the main villain, he mocked me and he said you cannot go to the next level, but there is some opportunity to join the biggest company in this world. And then I tried it, and that is tried to, but that is failed, and me can get that position. Next is podcast. The name is Talk Live Podcast. I made with Fatantu and Aldi. In here I be the speaker and talking about technology and science. This is the most fun project in English because we can do it automatically, not use script. But the result is good, and I like the podcast because this is different than others podcasts. The next is final project. I made the story of Stephen Curry. This is some inspirational project. How I tell the Stephen Curry is the most underrated player because he from the high school to the college is only get 3-star recruitment and then get recruited by Davidson, but not until that. The Davidson is like not care about Stephen Curry because he undersized. His height only 188 centimeters, but now he to be the best point guard ever in the NBA. But if you wanna see the storytelling, you can scan to this barcode. And then next, the Dinia project. The first is Akidah poster. This Akita poster I made in 7th grade about the attitude of asking permission. And then I made this using Canva because 7th grade we don't learn Figma, and then my design is bad. So this is my design when 7th grade, and it's get improvement by Ustad Rafif. Next is mind mapping. It's about the attitude of in the Sunnah in the Friday. Actually, before Friday prayer, and there is very many adab 15, and then I made this in Canva too because I make this project near to the deadline. Next is the motion graphic. This is the latest project I made. At least 2 weeks ago, I made this project for competition motion graphic. In here, the theme is every work is have the passion itself. Example like marathon is different, like 100-meter run, but it's same running sports. And the Ustad I take from Ustad Muhammad Nuzul Zikri. Why I take his voice? Because good and the voice is clear. The next is about my achievement. In here, certificate about networking. From Aguna course, I joined this course for free using a PDF Lab. If you know Cisco Packet Tracer, it's like CPT, but it's more flexible. You can add image, Cisco image, Juniper image, Ubiquiti image, and other image. And then I do this course is at least 1 week because there is many problem when I want to simulate the PNet lab. The next is decoding. If you know decoding, it's the most biggest IT learning place by online. And then I learned about the basic of DevOps. Actually, I get this from the ID Camp by Indra Satorido, so I get it for free. And then I learned about DevOps, developer operation. That's like a product system. The developer and the operational team that how to create the workflow and others. And then in here we learn a little bit about IP and OSI layer. The next is certificate from Udemy. I buy this course about full ethical hacking course. The mentor is Liang Yangloi. It's Chinese people, a Chinese hacker. It's he famous in the forum, so I get his course, and then I buy the course. But the course is very good. We learn how to defend our computer from virus, how to install Kali Linux in the Windows, and then how to attack, how to brute force, how to send phishing and others. Next is my experience about Weekend Tech Talk. I do this only one time in this years, but in the back I being the moderator too of this Weekend Tech Talk. And then in this WTT, we used to call WTT, I made animation using hit film like the last motion graphic project. Next is EduRace. This EduRace is an activity that we must go to Kota Tua from Alun Jonggol. The budget only 100,000 and 1 box of aqua for one team. And then we cannot use our self money, and then how we get from the Alun-Alun until the Kota Tua. But alhamdulillah my team can pass it, but there is some accident in the road. The next is Idean Teaching. In these photos, I insert to Idean Teaching, that's in Idean Sentul and TNI in ISC, in International Science Center. This is the two Idean Teaching is boot camp. The first in Idean Sentul, I joined with Mr. Fauzi, my IoT teacher, to teach student, and then trainer to introduce the Nomo kit that I say Nomo kit developed by Mr. Fauzi and team. The next is the ISC, Indonesia Science Center, or IT Super Camp. I do this not alone, but with Gisan, Fatur, Pasha, and me, 4. And then we teach at least 15 people about Unity, game, website, and then application Codula. And then in this bootcamp, we get some certificate from the ISC. Next is competition. In here, I insert the SLG, Semarang Robotic Games. But sadly, I not win in this competition, but my friends Habibi win the 3rd place about the innovative robot. Why I not win? Because I joined the different competition, but not only robotic. Usually I join English Olympiad with Mr. Huda, and alhamdulillah I get the medal, the 1 times gold medal. That's my good prestation. And this is the last slide. You can read. This is my thanks word to the IDN who teach me many things about IT dunia and teach build my mentality in others. And this is the last slide. Maybe the presentation end in here. I will close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.